Warm-up for Wednesday, 11/16/2022. Modeling equations. Write an equation for each model below. I see I have 3 shaded bars. I look over to the key. The key says that's negative x. So that's negative x, negative x, negative x. So I have negative 3x plus, well, that shows a positive 6, and then it equals, since they're shaded, they're negative, negative 8. This one, I have 2 unshaded bars, so they're positives, so that's 2x. I have negative 4 plus a negative 4 equals, and they're non-shaded, so that's positive. You could also write this 2x minus 4 equals 6.